Gold and silver traded bearish yesterday. We have seen gold moving towards the support zone at 2656 levels, while silver has also moved towards 2950. What to expect today from gold and silver? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day. We will detail analysis and logical levels. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. First, gold on the hourly chart. See, after seeing the lows here at 26, 56, 58 zone, we have seen it reversing, and now see three consolidation candle. One bullish candle is appearing. This could be the beginning of further bullishness here, where the prices may attempt to move towards 26, 82, 84 zone, and that should be also very good resistance here for the gold for the day. And if it breaks beyond this, the most important one is at 26, 92, 90 zone. If that is taken, yes, the bulls are back here in gold. Right now I can see here a crossover in the moving averages, which is not a good sign for the bulls. Only if it crosses over again and moves upward, you can say this is a reversal. The stochastic here is overbought, while look at the MACD. After hitting the lows here and after hitting the bottom, it has crossed over, now trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking up. Again, a very good sign for the bulls here. RSI is rising. Coming to 2-hour chart, likewise on the 2-hour charts here, very good support is now created with the 50 period moving average, which is right now sitting at around 2668 zone. So that is the zone below which we can expect slight bearishness, and I have mentioned yesterday as well, 2664, 62 is going to be the next support. Below that you can expect 2656, 55 zone. So right now what it is trying to do, first notice the movement here, a sharp decline. What it may try to do is try to trade in this channel. The highs of this channel now lies somewhere here at around 80 to 84 zone, which should be a good resistance for the day. Let's see if it aspires to move towards and achieve these levels here. Possibilities there. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trying to converge, it is not yet crossed over. Wait for a crossover here. RSI rising, signs supportive for the bulls here as well. On the 3, similar observation here on the 3-hour chart. See, higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. 20 period prices were trading with little divergence from the 20 period. It has come down towards the 20 period here. Now it is very important for it to trade above the zone 26, 76, 74, 74, 76, and then you can look forward to 82, 84 zone. Possibly it can try to move towards this zone. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD is right now trading bearish. It is tried to converge, not yet crossed over. It is still bearish here, looking downwards. It is not that it cannot achieve further highs, but right now it is delivering the red wave here. Let's wait for a crossover here, and that could be a very good precedent before the CPI data, that if it crosses over, you are looking forward to a rally with the CPI data. RSI rising, again signs are supportive for further bullishness. Coming to 4 hour, now look at 4-hour charts. See, first of all here, this has been a step candle. Higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. Let it break beyond 74, 76 zone, and then we can expect it to move towards 26, 82, 84 zone as the next target, and then beyond that 26, 90, 92. If 26, 90, 92 is taken any point of time today, you can say more bullishness should prevail. See what has happened here, prices were trading with divergence from the 20 period. I have mentioned in both the updates yesterday. In fact, it has breached not just the 20 period, it has moved towards 50 period, taking the support, now trying to bounce back. So it is under recovery as of now. The most critical zone today is going to be somewhere here at around 80 to 84 zone. That should be the most critical resistance for the day, and beyond that 26, 90, 92. Stochastic rising, good sign supportive of the bulls. The MACD right now on the 4-hour charts is trading bearish. I will wait for a crossover here. Yes, it can still cross over and reverse. RSI is also trying to bounce back. Coming to the daily, before we move to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts. First of all, on the daily charts, it was outside Bollinger Band. So you have seen a pullback here. What it has done, it has moved close to 2050 period moving average. Right now I can see a good support coming in towards 2050 period moving average. But another way to look at it is, see, this could be the symmetry here, symmetrical candles identically. Only and only if gold breaks beyond this zone, which is very critical for it, towards 2692, and once it breaks beyond this, you can say this is a reversal. Possibly the candle tomorrow with the inflation data might gonna be remain bullish as well. So this is the zone which I will be looking at. If gold closes towards this zone, consider that as a reversal. Consider that tomorrow again we're gonna see a bullish movement here. But if you look at the movement, see what is happening in gold: rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Now if you connect the lows here, you can find out, see the highs and the lows are beautifully connected, and after hitting the bottom of the channel, it is trying to bounce back. Where is the top of the channel? Towards 2720 levels. Let's see if it breaks this. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is trading with divergence and bullishness on the daily charts, and it has still room for further rise. RSI is flat. So considering, now I'll recommend you to buy here at 2674 levels itself and expect it to move towards 2680, 2684. This is going to be the first resistance zone for the day and very good resistance zone for the day. Beyond this, you can expect 2690, 92 levels, and if that is taken, stay bullish. You can again expect it to move towards 2700 levels. Be mindful of this. Breaking 2700 for the week with the CPI data, you have to stay bullish. We are looking at 2720 plus levels, but this is just the bull side of it. Remember, as long as 2690, 92 is not taken today, chances of a reversal and a drop will be very high. So now I'll recommend you to sell at 2666 levels. Below this, you can expect 2662, 60 as the first and very strong support levels, 2656, 54 as the second and the next stronger support. If it trades below 2650, 654 levels here, we can expect the next targets, which is going to be towards 2644 and 40. Any drop below 2640 is a clear sign of reversal where you can just stay short. Any drop below 2640 is a clear sign of reversal. Again, I am highlighting this fact. Below 2640, just stay short for 2630, 32 is the first, 26 18 20 is the second. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver on the hourly charts. After the crossover here in the moving averages and after this drip, now trading sideways. Another point to note here is the 2950 levels, which is proven out to be a very good support. With the support at 2950, prices have bounced back. Now I'll wait for it to trade about 2980, 90 zone, which should be a good resistance zone, and then 30-20 zone. So as I mentioned earlier, that these are going to be the support level towards the downside movement. Now these are going to be the resistance level while silver starts to move upward. So 30-20 zone is something you should watch out for, which is going to be a very good resistance for the day. Stochastic rising here. MACD after hitting the lows have now crossed over. These are trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. RSI is flat here. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation here. See a bit of consolidation is going on, higher lows, lower highs. Let it break beyond 2980, 2990 zone and then 30-20 zone. So as I said, till 30-20 levels, we have to be very careful with the buys. Once it breaks beyond 30-20, we can again expect it to move towards the next resistance. Now see, notice this is the support from where we have seen the rise. It has come down to the same support zone and now trying to bounce back. What it has delivered previously, higher highs. What it could deliver again, higher highs, which means it can break beyond 30-60. Possibilities there. Beyond this, sky is the limit. 31, 31-20, 31-50 to be seen. Stochastic rising here. The MACD is trading sharply bearish. It is trying to converge. Wait for it to cross over. That will be a very good sign for the bulls if it crosses over from here. RSI at bottom. Coming to 3 hour charts. On the 3 hour charts, what's happening? Notice this red green, and just wait for the next candle. Possibly that could be a breakout candle. Either which ways, if you see it is staying below 2940, that is a sign of reversal. You can just stay short below this. You are expecting 29-20-15 as the first target, 28-90-80 as the second target. The breakout is going to be important. See, it is consolidating here. Let's see the direction. Chances will be that silver may break out on the upside and move towards $30 levels. Possibility will be very high. Stochastic at bottom, MACD bearish, RSI at bottom here. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, similar observation. Let it break here on the upside above 2980. That will be a good sign that you can just stay bullish for $30 levels. Beyond 30, you can expect 30-20 levels, which is going to be the next milestone. 30-40 the third, and beyond that, sky is the limit. On the upside, 31 should be seen. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading bearish, RSI is also trying to bounce back up again. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, it's silver is starting at the lows, delivering higher lows. It is trying to bounce back. There is a very strong possibility and a probability that prices may move close to $30 levels, and in fact it can try to bounce back. But now if you observe the movement here in silver, notice first rise and retracement, second rise, and thus the retracement is start. So if it starts to reverse from this zone, which should be a good beginning of a bullish channel, which means the next highs are going to be towards 31. So any movement now beyond 30-20, 30-40, just stay bullish here in silver. We can look forward to $31 levels as the next targets. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is in green, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. RSI has dropped here. So considering now The charts, I will recommend you to buy silver if you see it is staying 29.75, and if you see it is staying above 29.75, expect 29.95 30 as the first target zone, 30.15, 30.20 as the next target zone, and beyond that 30.40, 30.60 should appear, because beyond that it is a complete reversal, and tomorrow with the inflation data again we are looking forward to a massive rally in silver which can take it in fact beyond 31.50, $32 30.50, $31 levels. That is the first part. Second part, on the sell side, a selling entry today in silver is only and only if you see the higher price to be trading below 29.50, 29.40 zone. 29.50, 40 should be a very good support for the day. Only and only if you see it is staying below 29.40, you can take a sell. Expect it to drop more towards 29.20 and 28.90, 28.80 levels. Let us wait and watch. If silver shows such move, chances will be high that it can try to bounce back and recover. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again before the US session with more updates.